Hey everyone, so you're about to get your project car on the road and you've got some fresh brake components to handle slowing it down. Before you toss them on and let them get all rusty, you should top coat them with our 2K AeroSpray Caliper Paint. Let's show you how. Now step one is cleaning. First we open up our brand new calipers and check them out. You always want to make sure your new parts don't have any defects. When these leave the factory, they're often coated in a tooling oil, so we're going to want to clean that up and anything else off with pre-painting prep. Step two is prep. Now that the parts are clean, we want to tape up anything that shouldn't get painted. So the bleeder valves, rubber seals, and the pistons themselves. Step three is paint. With our parts clean and prepped, we hang them up to get sprayed. Now you've probably seen our 2K AeroSpray cans before. We offer them in a variety of finishes, but basically there's two separate components inside the can. When you're ready, pop the bladder using the tool in the cap. And mix the paint for 2 minutes. Now you can spray your parts just like you would with an HVLP paint gun. We hit these calipers with 2 medium wet coats and we let them dry for about 25 minutes. With that done, you can throw your parts on your car and cruise down the road. Now we offer these in black and red if you're feeling a little flashy, but beyond just looking cool, these will protect your parts from rusting, so they'll stay in good shape for a long time. And unlike normal paint, they're rated for up to 650 degrees, so they can handle high braking temps. The reason these paints are so strong is because they have an activator inside the can. Puncturing the bladder using that cap mixes the paint and the activator, so you have a super strong 2K paint, just like you would get in a paint gun. Speaking of paint gun, these things also spray just like one. They have a nice wide fan for easy application. Honestly, these are the best options for painting small parts. I know not every brake caliper you see is going to be brand new out of the box, so keep an eye out for a new video we're going to be coming out with where we talk about how to coat an old rusty brake caliper. If you have any questions about this product or any other paint products from Eastwood, head over to eastwood.com.